Guys, so for today we're gonna restock some photo cards or llama cards. Here's the llama cards. First, let's arrange them. Cherry on top. Meron pa tayo mga new jeans. Bini. SB19. Bini. 7th. Twice. Bini. 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 Sanrio. Bunnies Club. And mix. Born Pink. Blackpink. Bini. 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 Sanrio. 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 Oops. Bini, Bini, Bini. Stray Kids. Oops. Pinahulog tayo. Something falls. And it's Bini. Two Binis. Bini, Bini. So we're done arranging it, guys. Let's just put it all together. First is Bini. 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 Cherry on top. Bini cherry on top. And then Bini more. And then let's put this one. Bini, Bini, Bini. This Bini. Let's put the cherry on top here. I don't wanna make it super and another Bini for this one. Bini, 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 Born Pink twice, and then Koshala. And then let's put this one and wait. Where was it? I think it fell. Wait, I think this is it. No. Oops. Wait guys, wait, I'm gonna find it. And next, I find it. And then we're gonna just put this right here like that. Oops, let's get 2 of them. Already done. Now let's restock another one, another collect book. First, let's do Blackpink. Blackpink. Born Pink. SB19. This one, and New Jeans. Go do it right here. Let's get 2 of this. Oops. Alright guys, let me just pick it up and then take them. I like the Sanrio one, and take one of it. And then we're done. We're done arranging it all, and we're done stacking some photo cards. So that's all for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.